Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can send crypto from MoonPay. So sending crypto from MoonPay to another wallet is really simple but requires accuracy. So once you open your MoonPay, what you will have to do is of course make sure that you have already created your profile, you've already verified, and you've already activated your portfolio so that you would be able to actually access all of its features. So here, if you've already set up your account, you should see the send crypto option somewhere right here, or the feature. So once you see it, you will just have to select send crypto, and then you will just have to select the cryptocurrency that you want, which is either BTC, ETH, or USDT, or whatsoever. And then after that, you will just have to paste the recipient wallet address, and then you will of course double check the first and the last four characters. And then after that, you will enter the amount and review the fees, and you will confirm and complete any verification if prompted. And you will just have to wait for the blockchain confirmation. And yeah, that's basically just it. And of course, you do have to make sure to always double check the addresses so that the blockchain transactions cannot be reversed. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.